Safety is the #1 priority for every person using a chainsaw. Following safe working practices, wearing the correct personal protective equipment, and knowing when to call in a professional are all key elements of getting the job done safely. But did you know there are 10 safety features built into every chainsaw too? In this video, we'll summarise these features and encourage you to make sure all are fully present and functional before using your chainsaw. Number 1, the chain brake. The chain brake stops the running chain automatically in the event of a kickback. It can also be activated manually. This is recommended when moving with an idling chainsaw. The final purpose of the chain brake is to act as a handguard, offering protection from debris. Number 2, clearly marked off switch. The location of the off switch allows the chainsaw to be switched off easily without letting go of either handles. Most battery models don't have an off switch, as they're deactivated by removing the battery. However, they do have a different throttle mechanism to make sure they cannot be started accidentally. Number 3, lockout switch. The switch on the handle goes by many names: safety throttle, lockout switch, or operator presence control. Regardless of what it's called, the switch prevents the throttle trigger being pressed accidentally. On most chainsaws, the switch looks like this, but on some STIHL cordless chainsaws, it's in the form of a button instead. Number 4, rear handguard. The wide base of the rear handle is certainly useful for safe ground starts, but did you know it also acts as a protective guard too? Should the chain derail, the guard prevents the chain from contacting your right hand. The easiest way to prevent a derailed chain in the first place is to ensure the chain is in good condition and always tensioned correctly. Number 5, safety symbols. Every chainsaw has a label with key safety information included. If yours is illegible or has worn off with age, it needs to be replaced. Number 6, anti-vibration system. Overexposure to vibration can lead to serious long-term health conditions. STIHL chainsaws feature anti-vibration systems, normally in the form of 3 to 4 AV springs, mechanically decoupling the power head from the handles. Some cordless chainsaws don't feature a dedicated AV system as their vibration values already fall below the safety threshold. Number 7, chain catcher. The chain catcher sits behind the sprocket cover, and its purpose is to prevent the chain from being thrown backwards towards the operator in the event of a chain coming off. If this occurs and the chain catcher is put into action, we recommend asking a STIHL approved dealer to replace it for you. Number 8, Scabbard. Fitting the Scabbard when the chainsaw is in transport or storage prevents accidental cuts. Spare Scabbards are available to buy if your original one has worn out. Number 9, bar and chain combination. The bar and chain supplied with your chainsaw have been specifically chosen to maximise safety as well as performance. As an example, many of our saws come equipped with chains featuring humped drive links, helping to reduce the likelihood of a kickback. Number 10, exhaust fumes. Finally, all petrol chainsaws have the exhaust fumes directed away from the operator, regardless of the working position. In addition to these 10 safety features, some chainsaw models have additional but not compulsory features, such as heated handles for improved blood circulation, or decompression valves for less strenuous starting. If any of the features described in this video are not present on your chainsaw, STIHL or otherwise, we recommend it's not used until the issues have been fixed by a STIHL approved dealer. Find your nearest today by visiting stihl.co.uk.